You ready to change your oil today?
Let's do it.
After today, you're always just gonna pay for your oil to be changed. Financially, it makes more sense. It takes 5 minutes.
Right?
No, it's like
Doing it yourself?
Well, let's rack it up. Let's see how much this costs.
I already know it's gonna be a lot because my baby takes a lot of oil.
Sexy.
Just like me.
They grow up so fast. That was so sick. I love when I see a girl working behind the counter. Did you get that? Yeah. So what did we end up getting? We ended up getting an STP oil filter. Is that or Fram? But they're out of Fram oil filters.
Fram.
So we got an STP. We've got Valvoline full synthetic. And we don't need to replace the plug, we just bought it for the washer. Because this is more of like a filter insert instead of an actual filter, if you guys know what I'm talking about. There's a special tool to take it off. Fingers crossed that the guys over the shop have the tool to take it off.
It's coming off.
All right, I'll see you at the shop.
Okay.
It's because it's not an LS, American-made motor, right?
It's fine. It'll be fine. It's normal. It's an RX-7. Get an RX-7, they said.
Yeah.
It'll be fun, they said.
You know what I think it is? It's the head gasket.
Head gasket on the rotary for sure. That's what I was thinking too.
100%.
100%. I think the cams are worn out on it.
Yeah.
This is like really what I was thinking.
That's gotta be it.
It's gotta be it.
Do you have the Toyota tool to take off the filter?
Toyota tool?
Yeah.
Rachel, do you have the Toyota tool?
Yes.
Yes, I brought my Toyota tool.
It's right here.
My snap.
You know I'm excited about today?
What?
Because I'm doing absolutely zero work.
Oh, it's so hot.
Do you want to check your oil first? Let's check
Yeah.
your oil first. Sweet, that'll work. Just find a clean spot on it.
Looks good.
Like, there's no oil in your car.
It either burns oil or there's something
Try that
wrong
one
with
more
my
time.
car. Okay.
I think I need an oil change. There's no
tell.
oil in my car.
There's no oil left. I was having to add oil like once a month.
Yeah, that's pretty low.
Cool. Now what?
I mean, I don't say it looks like dirty, but if you keep adding it, that's probably why. But we're gonna change it anyways. Just pop out the dipstick just a little bit for ventilation.
Okay.
Just like that. Now let's take off this cap.
Okay. It's on there pretty good.
That's not good.
Oh, there
Yep,
we go.
there you go. Let's bring the car up.
Let's do it. Let me go over here to my left. This is the right side.
No.
Should I do it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Do you know how to do it?
No. I think you just press a button though. Can't be that hard. Do I just yank this up?
If you were to push a button, what button would you push?
This. This.
Okay.
Do I do it?
Oh my god!
Why do you do that? Very sensitive to loud noises. How far? What does that sound?
It's fine.
How far up are we?
Oh god!
I hate
You're
it!
breaking it.
Amelia!
That's fine.
Is that high
It's going
enough?
up into your, I'd
Do we
go a
try to
little
like
higher.
stand under it?
I mean, I'd like to.
Say when.
No, no, one more. It's almost gonna click. There you go.
I'm scared. Whoa.
Do you know what you do first?
Nope.
You're gonna take off this little tray.
Okay.
So go find a 10mm bolt or a socket.
Right away. Let me look in my drawers. It's this one, silly me.
You see this thing underneath it? You have to twist it sideways. All right, so you have
This?
one bolt here, one there.
Am I doing this right?
See.
I was going left. Hi, Andy.
Oh yeah, let's use power tools.
We were doing it like the
I
old-fashioned
thought
way.
the lift was luxury. Just don't put your face right under it.
Why?
So you don't get crap in your eyeballs.
Should we work?
Someone sent me some nice little black gloves. I'm not using the thick fabric ones when it's like actual sharp moving an engine. I digress. I have some new gloves I'm gonna get.
Dope.
Sweet. Can you take these off while I go get them? There's 2 more in the front.
I have schmutz on my hand.
Gloves?
Thank you. I'm ready.
I'm gonna put her up first.
PTT time?
PTT time. All right, turns out we didn't have the appropriate end piece socket end that we needed in order to take off the filter. So we've got Hike in the house.
Woo!
And Hike is doing the old chain and vice grip method.
Give him a hand.
I always confuse vice grip with crescent wrench for whatever reason.
Me too. All the time.
It looks like you took that off your bike. And let's refrain from commenting on the beautiful oil catch can and then the plastic tub on top. This O-ring is one thing we'll have to replace.
This little black piece.
Yeah.
Hot potato, hot potato.
All right.
What are we doing?
What would you check next? Or if you were doing your oil, what would you do now that the filter's off?
I would ask Amelia.
I'd say you still have oil to drain.
Really? Thought that was it. Let's go.
All right, let's drain the oil.
And what you're gonna want to do is position your oil pan like so. Under
Underwear.
here.
Nope.
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 All right then. Where to?
I believe this is your drain here.
Oh, word. Go like so.
Interesting choice in positioning.
No. Take two. Amelia. Is this supposed to come off?
What? So let's stick something on the end.
Am I
of
going
that.
the wrong way?
Careful not to apply too much force with this, but does it slip on the bottom side there? One hand on that and one hand on the bottom.
Here?
Yep.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh. Bye.
This is gonna like come spewing
Be
out.
ready to move the pan if you have to.
Move the pan.
No, be ready to.
It's gonna be like The Shining. The elevator opening up.
Oh.
Ew.
Bro, you made a mess.
Oh.
So now while that drains, we will assemble your oil filter.
That's on there.
Cool. So we'll just wait for it to finish draining.
Okay.
Honestly, I find the extra $20 just worth paying someone else to do this because I have more important things to do with the extra time that would take me to do it.
Yeah, I think I saved like $30.
Yeah, I mean, and plus we're using a nice lift. If you're doing this
Yeah.
at home, you won't.
I
You're
wouldn't
using the
have this.
jack or, yeah. Drain plug? New washer? Let's do this.
Let's go.
Oil filter is secure and on. We did notice that the O-ring slipped off of its original position, so we backed it out, put it back on, and then tightened it, and then now it's secure. So, what are you gonna do now?
Put this back on. The tray. The
There you
oil
go.
tray.
Just gotta clean the beer out of it first.
Should I put gloves on again? Is that not
If you want to,
necessary?
you can.
I do kind of like my hands not being crusty.
Yeah, same. So when you pour oil normally, people pour like this. You're supposed to pour upside down like this. That's what I think this little dip in the 5-quart is.
Why would they put the handle on this side then?
No, I'm saying I think they designed it in order to let air sit there.
I'm scared.
I put it down somewhere, I didn't know where it was, but here it is.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Ma, we need more milk.
How many liters is
4.73 liters.
Seems like you don't have enough if you ask me. I'd say just pour that full bottle and then
Oh
we'll
my
check it out.
God.
Girl, what did I just say about that bottle?
I know, pouring it the other way.
Yeah.
Let me try it. As I did, I spilled a shit ton too. Oh
Look
my
how-
God,
look
that
at
makes
that.
so much more sense.
Yeah, right?
Done for you.
Oh my God. All right, was that enough?
I don't know. Let's check the oil.
Sounds like that.
Let's check the dipstick.
How did you get so dirty? Because we didn't check liters when she gave it to us.
I thought she was supposed to know that shit.
You can't. People don't know everything. Let me see the rag real quick. It's like a quart low, I think. I'm trying to think how to very nicely put that we put our trust in her to give us the correct amount of oil, and although not her fault because we should have checked ourselves, We are almost a quart short. So I'm gonna see if they have an extra quart here, considering we are at a shop, so uno momento, por favor. All right, found some extra oil. Rachel just added it. I'm gonna turn the car, let it run for a second, then check the oil again. Before I do this, let's think.
What?
Oil, filter,
Do we do it all?
both tight, cap.
Now I want to see her back in 5,000 miles.
Normally, this is a really great time to check all your fluids, to do a general look over on your car. We probably should have checked your fluids. Do you want to check your fluids?
Okay.
All right, pop your hood. But aside from that, I mean, we'll just check radiator fluid and power steering. I imagine both those are fine, more radiator than anything. But yeah, Rachel changed her oil.
Yeah.
Old Bessie.
Little old Bessie.
Does your car overheat?
No.
I don't really want to take all these covers off. I think we're good.
It looks good. Got schmutz on my shirt.
What'd you think?
Wasn't so bad.
Feel confident?
In doing an oil change?
Yeah. Do you think you could do this by yourself?
Yeah.
Would you do an oil change again, or would you just pay for it to be done?
I would definitely pay for it to be done.
I do the same, depending on the car, I guess. But all right.
But it's cool that I like have done it and can say that
Yeah.
I've done it.
And at least you know how, and you know how to check your oil. You know how to drive stick too. You know how to check your
everything.
tire pressure.
What else is there?
Swapping an
I've accomplished
engine.
everything except that.
But all right, you guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Truly, from the bottom of my heart, and those of you who comment every single day, please make sure you share this video. It does help. And Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye. That was harmonized so perfectly.
That was good.
Oh, it's so dark out.
Yeah.
Yes. I will see you this week. When am I seeing you next? Saturday. Or
Saturday.
should I buy it? Yeah.
Should I buy it? Be there.
Or be squared.
Bye.
Tough now.